This is test file. It has 2 pages and several types of objects. Two pages. 6 text objects. 8 bitmaps. 3 RGB bitmaps. 7 RGB fills. Open prepress macro. Two pages. 6 text objects. 6 text objects. 3 plus 3 plus 2 equal 8 bitmaps. Three RGB bitmaps. 2 rotated bitmaps. Seven RGB fills. Click Convert. Then click RGB bitmap. RGB bitmaps converted to CMYK. Click Convert again. Click RGB fill. Click Convert once again. Click Text. Eight CMYK bitmaps. No RGB fill. Subscribe and give it a like.